When you perform a learned skill or a habitual response, you are calling on dash memory. The B answer is correct answer, procedural. Cognitive psychologists often like the short-term store of the mind to which part of computer, the central process unit. The C answer is correct answer, the central processing unit. Memory techniques such as method of Loki, acronyms, and the page word system are called dash mnemonic device. The D answer is correct answer. A mnemonic device is a dash memory aid. The D answer is correct answer. Our short-term memory span is approximately dash items. The C answer is correct, 7 items. Words, event, place, and emotions that trigger our memory of the past are called dash retrieval cause. The C answer is correct answer. Which of the following was not recommended as a strategy for improving memory? Speed reading. Speed reading, the C answer is correct answer. The word meaning and other general knowledge stored in a person's memory are considered dash information. Semantic information. The C answer is correct. We are more likely to remember the word typewriter, cigarette, and fire than the words void, process, and inherent because the first three words are more likely to be dash. Visually, the B answer is correct answer. Which of the following is not a measure of retention? The D answer is correct answer, retrieval. Retrieval.